Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make money on Canva using your phone. First, ensure you have the Canva app installed and are familiar with its mobile interface. You can design a wide range of digital products directly from your device, from social media templates to printable art. We will explore popular items to create, where to sell them, and key tips for maximizing your earnings. Get ready to turn your phone into a portable design studio and start generating income with your creativity. With your phone and Canva, you can design numerous profitable digital products. Consider creating social media templates for Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest, which are always in high demand. You could also design printable items like daily planners, weekly schedules, or budget trackers. Custom invitations for birthdays or weddings, and even unique digital art prints are excellent options. Focus on a niche to attract specific buyers and showcase your unique style. Once your designs are ready, it is time to find the right platforms to sell them. Etsy is a fantastic starting point, known for its vast audience interested in unique digital products. Creative Market is another excellent option for selling more professional design assets like fonts or templates. For greater control, consider setting up your own e-commerce store using platforms such as Shopify or Gumroad. Remember to leverage social media to drive traffic to your listings. To truly succeed, focus on consistent quality. Always strive to create visually appealing and functional designs that stand out. Research current trends and understand what customers are actively searching for to guide your product development. Optimize your product listings with clear, concise descriptions and relevant keywords to improve visibility. Finally, provide excellent customer service. Happy customers often lead to repeat business and positive reviews, which are invaluable for growth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.